Hi guys, so we're just out for like a Sunday brunch, and this place is really close by to our place. It takes about 10 minutes to get here when by walk. So I really want to show you guys this place. So if you look around, you can see this area. So this area is usually filled with water all over the place, but right now, since it's a very low tide, you can't see water at all. It's just the land. But we really like to come here because it's really nice, and it's really nice day today. So yeah, I decided that just to bring you guys along and show you this area. So I'm back with another package again. This time I'm not going to show you everything that I've ordered, but there's one thing I really want to show it to you guys. So just gonna unbox it right now. So it's called Beauty 10th Anniversary. It has been 10 years that they have launched their website. If you don't know about Cult Beauty is a website in UK that sells all the, not all, but most of the beauty product, and also some of the product that is not easily available in UK, more I mean as in like a US product. So Cult Beauty is celebrating their 10th anniversary, so they are giving away 10 full size product if you spend £170 in their website, and all those 10 products, 10 full size products are worth about £270, I think. Yeah, so I mean, just wanted to show you guys what are 10 products. So here you go. Oh, this is so cute. It comes in the bag.
Oh,
That's the bag. Oh my god.
Oh, it's 10.
Yeah, it says 10, isn't it? And
Yeah, but it's the die.
oh yeah. So the first thing that we have is, oh my god, I love this product. I still have got it.
Oh, egg.
Yeah, but I forgot to use it because, you know, I have so many products in there, and then I forget about things. So this is the Omorovixa. I don't know how to pronounce it. Omorovixa. It's a mist. So just a normal mist, like elixir, something like that. So yeah, I really love this, and I'm glad that I have this one again. Not bad. Are you guys ready for this? Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. Oh my god.
4 square.
I know.
And 9 square. 8 square, that's 9.
Oh my god. Yeah, that's my favorite highlight, Moonstone. Yeah. So let's just put it. I don't know what is this obsession with me. I have to put all the products back in the packaging until I have used it. So I don't know if you guys do that too. So let's move on. The next product is, you guys know this. You guys know this. This is the hands down best product right now.
Yeah, it says P-I-X-L.
A P-I-X-I. That's upside down I, Pixie. So this is Pixie Glow Tonic, and this thing is so huge in the market right now. And I haven't used this before, to be honest, because I really don't. This has a glycolic acid, so I really don't need it. I mean, as in like my skin. So I've never reached out for this one, but I'm glad that I have this one. I can try this one. Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my god. Becca Backlight Priming Filter.
It says, can you see what it was?
Yeah.
B-E-C-C-A.
Becca.
Becca best.
And this is Huda Beauty Mauve Obsession Palette.
4 squares. 9.
This is so gorgeous. This is so gorgeous. I'm glad that I
What's
got
the other one? What's the other
Joeva Cat Eye Pen. So this is like a eyeliner, I guess.
1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
4, 5,
I'm not a big fan of
8,
this kind of eyeliner.
9,
You can never have enough of this thing. Seriously. And I'm glad I got this one again, new one. It comes with a cloth like this. So it's a cleansing balm from Emma Hardy, EH. It says that there. And I've tried this before and I really like this. It comes with a cloth, so I'm glad that I've got it again. So this is the Ordinary Hydrator and Oil, which has hyaluronic acid 2%. So Ordinary is not that expensive brand. It's very affordable, and the skin product is really nice. So if you are on a budget, you can really try their product, and this one is really nice as well. So yeah, that's the last one. This I already have this one. This is Red Velvet. This is from Lime Crime. Their liquid matte lipstick, and I really love this. I have this shade. So yeah, I have this shade already. So yeah. Do you know what? I think I can do a giveaway because most of this item I already have it, so I don't know. I might do a giveaway. Just let me know if you guys would like me to do a giveaway. I can do that. Yeah. So yeah, that's all the packets, and I have ordered this item, few of these items. So I'm just gonna go through it. I'm not gonna show it to you guys. So yeah, I'll see you in a bit. We're getting late, you know that, right?
What?
We need to go for your Aikido class. Come on. Come on, let's go. Hi. Good morning, guys. Currently, we are heading towards my spa. I'm gonna get my facial today. It's really only right now. I think it's around 8:30. My spa appointment is at 9 o'clock, but yeah, just trying to get here early. And look at the weather, how lovely it is. I'll just bring you guys along with me. Okay, so let me talk about my experience today. So firstly, the facial that I've done is called Diamond Dermabrasion, and it cost me £60 for one session, and it's for 1 hour. Now, how I feel about it right now is that it was relaxing, but the thing is that I had to pee. I kept thinking about when is the session going to finish and I could pee. So I guess that's the reason that I couldn't like completely relax there. But other than that, I think the girl was really nice. She was really honest because she said I really don't need it. My skin is really good. I told her that my skin is more of like normal to dry, but she was like, your skin doesn't feel dry at all. It seems really nice. It's really soft and smooth. It seems like it has been well taken care of. But to be honest, I really don't. Because obviously I show you all this jazz and everything about taking care of skin and everything, but in real life I'm really lazy ass and I really don't take care of my skin much. And I don't know if you have noticed or not, but I usually don't have any makeup on whenever I am vlogging or anything like that, because the only time I wear makeup is when we have special event or when I am filming for YouTube, and I think that's about it. Yeah, so I even hardly put on moisturizer when I'm going out. So I mean, the fact that she told me that my skin is still soft and smooth, it really made me feel good about it. And yeah, so if you ask me if I would give it in another try or not, I don't know. I kind of felt that it was so, she was so delicate with the whole process and everything. I usually like when people are like getting into my skin and like sucking out all those dirt and everything out, and that's when you feel like your skin is like clear out, like it's a new skin and everything like that. And I didn't feel that today. I don't know if it's supposed to be like that or she has to be soft and delicate and everything. She was like checking every single time, like if that feels okay, are you feeling okay? I mean, I know that when it comes to makeup as well, you really have to make sure that your customer is feeling comfortable, and you have to keep asking if you are feeling okay or not. I really know where she's coming from, but it's just that she was too soft and delicate with my skin, so I don't know.
So cool.
Don't touch it. Don't touch it.
Don't touch it. It's gonna pop. Leave it. Leave it. So we're just trying to play balloon here, and Olive is trying to play balloon here. We got it from, where did we got it from? Wilkinson. Yeah, yesterday.
Excuse me.
Isn't that too much? Oh, he's gonna drop it off on its own.
Yeah.
You shake it, but I want to make it full.
Oh, that's how you do it.
Yeah. But shake if you shake it, it just pops within the second time. Anyways.
Oh, okay. So guys, we're right now watching, what movie are we watching? Avenger. So it's currently 2200 right now. So we are at our mom's place. So Olive is with our parents. So why not watch movie while the baby is looked after by the grandparents? So we'll just watch a movie now, and I'll see you guys in a bit and talk to you guys about how the movie was.
Basically, Thanos was meant to be seen as the hero in Infinity Wars because he sacrificed everything, which most villains don't do, but he does.
Yeah.
He kills Gamora, which shows emotions, which most
Yeah.
villains don't do.
Yeah.
And at the end, he's the one who gets the happy ending.
Yeah.
So it's meant to see him as a protagonist because he always beats the bad guys in his eyes,
Okay.
but in our eyes, we'll be seen as him being the bad guy. But he's just following his own beliefs.
Yeah, but I kind of feel like he was nice, like throughout the movie. I kind of felt like he was nice.
Yeah, because he's trying to be
I mean,
nice.
he was just trying to do what he like.
Think was right.
Yeah, he think was right, but it wasn't like trying to hurt anyone.
Oh, I just say that to the 50% of the population that's dead. You know.
No, but what I'm trying to say is that he was thinking like as in like benefit to everyone else.
Yeah, benefit.
Yeah, like he wasn't just thinking about himself. Yeah, he was thinking about the whole universe.
It's even what he said, because he basically said, I don't wanna kill the poor or the rich. I just want to keep it equal.
Yeah.
Because he says.
But I thought like Doctor Strange was so powerful. Yeah, like.
He is powerful.
I mean, yes, he's powerful, but the powerful to like he could have used. I mean, yeah, doesn't make sense. Yeah, he tried all the possibilities. He did say no.
The thing with Doctor Strange is because his power is kind of infinite power.
Yeah, not as in like physical, no.
Yeah, and then to show this in a movie
is difficult.
Yeah,
it's difficult.
Yeah, I get it. Yeah.
It's also you can't use his power to the fullest, otherwise it would harm the people.
But I really like this movie. It was worth watching it.
Yeah, I mean, to draw it on a comic, you can draw literally anything.
And also because we watched it 3D and with the comfort of all that thing, I think it made it more better, isn't it? It's quite comfortable here together.
Really? For that?
The movie was good. I think everybody must watch it.